Hi guys, this is Gregor here. I'm shooting on an Olfi White and an Olfi Black. The Olfi Black has the lav mic plugged in. Should be able to hear that. I have the audio sensitivity at 8 on the Olfi Black. The audio on the Olfi White is at sensitivity number 10 because I'm slightly further away. I'm in a woodland area, lots of birds tweeting away. Hopefully with the lav mic you might not be able to hear that, but maybe on the White with the lav mic not plugged in, because you can't plug a lav mic in there, it's just a generic sound from the camera, you might just hear that bird song. I hope so, because it's lovely. So yeah, shooting black and white, black and white, black and white. Here we go. Olfi Black, Olfi White, Olfi Black, Olfi White. So as I said, it is a bit of a test. Hopefully the ladies at Olfi HQ will help me out and make me look pretty. Doubt it, because that's going to be impossible. Never mind.